Welcome to Ikano Retail. Across our IKEA stores and shopping centers, we value people more than just their CV. That's because we are not your usual employer. We welcome enthusiastic individuals who put we before me. We want to say hi to entrepreneurs who dare to be different. People who want to learn from their mistakes. Those who are book smart and those that are street smart. Or those that are both. People who dare to ask, is there another way to solve a challenge? You will be part of the global IKEA franchise community. And working at Ikano Retail holds special meaning for us. We're the only franchise owned by the family of IKEA founder, Ingvar Kamprad. The work we do is so much more than just a job. It's a place where you can truly be yourself. Full-time or part-time, everyone is cared for the same. Across our markets, we are leading the way with parental, family care and benefits. Need to get out of the office? Then organize team outings and get-togethers. It's on us. We are big on people who come here with long-term plans, and everyone's idea is valued, no matter your position, whether you're in a customer-facing role or in a support function such as finance, digital, or property. Want to upgrade your skills? Learn on the job or from hundreds of online or face-to-face courses at IKEA. Keen to grow? Start in one role and have the freedom to explore and grow into new roles. Assemble your career just like you would our furniture. At IKEA, our values guide our work. We celebrate differences, even if we don't always share the same beliefs. Here, we can be ourselves. We work together and grow together. We get things done and prioritize fair working conditions with our suppliers and our co-workers. Some of my favorite IKEA values are togetherness and caring for people and the planet. As a cost-conscious organization, we know that making sustainable choices today creates a better tomorrow. We use our planet's resources wisely and inspire customers to do the same at home. And togetherness is our style of working. We help each other succeed side by side, enabling everyone to make a difference, no matter the position. All with the vision to create a better everyday life for the many people. Welcome to IKEA.